It has been revealed that another group of the 140th Special Operations Forces Center of the Armed Forces of Ukraine has been deployed to the Sumy region. This group will attempt to capture one of the many bridgeheads in northern Ukraine. The deployment of special forces as regular infantry suggests the Ukrainian army's dire manpower reserve situation. Changes in the front line have been noted in the Kharkiv region south of Volchansk. Russian army assault units reportedly established complete control over the village of Kravskoye. The Russian Army Command will likely continue advancing southward to capture Verkhnya Piskarovka. This village has the only bridge across the Seversky Donets River in the district, and control of the bridge is crucial. There has been increased activity by Russian combat aircraft on the front line in the Konstantinovka area over the past few days. On February 25th, it was reported that heavy FAB-3000 bombs destroyed a dam on the Lozovaya River. As a result, the northwestern part of the city flooded, cutting off the Ukrainian garrison from supplies in Druzhkivka. Additionally, a similar aerial bomb destroyed a deployment point of a Ukrainian army unit from the 100th Mechanized Brigade. Due to these strikes, Russian forces were able to seize new positions in the southern part of Konstantinovka. In the Dnipropetrovsk region, the Russian 90th Tank Division achieved a significant tactical victory between Ivanivka and Novopavlivka. The southern section of this front is becoming increasingly difficult for both sides. As we previously reported, large Ukrainian forces have been concentrated in this sector. It appears that the Ukrainian army is attempting a large-scale offensive. This offensive is taking place in the Ternovatoe-Yanovskoye area. However, it should be noted that these actions are not a classic offensive involving armored columns supported by infantry. The Ukrainian command has adopted the tactics of the Russian troops and is actively using infiltration tactics in its operations. Small assault groups are quietly infiltrating the enemy's battle lines. This is exactly what is happening in this area. However, infiltration tactics also have their drawbacks. If operational camouflage is compromised, the small groups wedged in are quickly isolated and destroyed. West of Geleipol, Russian troops are advancing steadily. The movement of frontline units south of Zaliznichin has been observed. At the other end of the front, however, the Russian Army Command has suspended its advance toward Orikov. This is due to the unexpectedly slow pace of the Russian advance from Geleipol. Once the Novosilovka-Belogorye line is reached, coordinated strikes from two flanks can be expected.